Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add a reminders widget on your iPhone. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new and hit the like button for my effort. Let's start. The first thing you want to do is just have reminders. So you want to swipe up on your iPhone and type in reminders. You want to open the app. You want to click on today or all. You want to click on the three dots and you want to add some reminders. If you cannot find them here, you can also click on today, new reminder, and add them in. After that is done, what you want to do is just hold your finger on your home screen, and then what you want to do is click on the plus icon at the top left corner. You want to type in reminders. You want to add it in, and you basically have three options for the widget. You have this small one, the medium one, and the big one. So all we have to do is just add it in. I'll add the small one, and that's it. Now you have your reminders. It's as easy as that. You can also do that for another one. So click the plus icon, reminders, and then you can add the second one, add the widget, just like so. You can switch between different reminders lists, for example, the today one, or whatever you like. If the video helped you out, give me a like. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below and I would love to help you out. See you next one. Bye.